हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल एडू गोल पर। और आज मैं पाइथन के बारे में कुछ डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ, पाइथन के ऑपरेटर्स के बारे में। तो पाइथन के ऑपरेटर्स को डिस्कस करने से पहले थोड़ा सा बेसिक जान लेते हैं पाइथन के बारे में। ठीक है, पाइथन हमारा एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है, वेरी इजी और बहुत ही लाइक सिंपल है हमारा। और पाइथन का जो सॉफ्टवेयर है आइडल, वो भी हमारे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अवेलेबल है, यानी कि ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर है। आप इसको इंटरनेट से इजीली डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। python.org इसका जो है वेबसाइट है, उस पर जा करके और आप आराम से उसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। ठीक है, इसके लिए आपको कोई कॉस्ट पे नहीं करनी। ठीक है, पाइथन का एक एप्लीकेशन भी है, पाइड्रॉइड 3 मोबाइल ऐप है। एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन में अगर आप पाइथन के प्रोग्रामिंग करना चाहते हो तो बहुत ही आसानी से आप प्ले स्टोर पे जाके ये ऐप डाउनलोड करके, मैं ऐसा कोई इसको प्रमोट नहीं कर रही हूँ, लेकिन बहुत ही ईजी है और ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड एंड सिंपल। ठीक है, तो अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो, अगर आप पाइथन पढ़ते हो, चूँकि हमारे सिलेबस में सीबीएसई में अभी पाइथन है, तो बहुत सारे बच्चे परेशान हो जाते हैं जिनके पास कंप्यूटर नहीं है। ठीक है, तो आप आराम से जा करके इस ऐप के थ्रू आप पाइथन की प्रोग्रामिंग घर बैठे कर सकते हो और आपको कोई कंप्यूटर परचेज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो पाइथन में हमारे कुछ बेसिक ऑपरेटर्स होते हैं। ठीक है, पाइथन में बेसिकली हमारे 2 टाइप्स के ऑपरेटर्स हैं। पहला है हमारा अनरी ऑपरेटर और दूसरा है हमारा बाइनरी ऑपरेटर। ठीक है, अनरी ऑपरेटर में क्या होता है कि जब भी आप सिंगल ऑपरेंड, ठीक है, सिंगल ऑपरेंड होता है और सिंगल ही हमारा क्या होता है ऑपरेटर, सो दैट इज अनरी। बाइनरी में क्या होता है हमारा मोर देन वन ऑपरेटर, नो मोर देन वन ऑपरेंड होगा। ठीक है, ऑपरेंड होगा एंड ऑपरेटर्स कैन बी यूज्ड। ठीक है, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल a is equal to a plus 5, here single operand we are using and single operator we are using, so this is the example of unary operator. And if you are doing a plus b, c is equal to a plus b, so there are 3 operands a, b and c, and we are using one operator. You can use more operators with the binary operators. Okay, now I am going to making you understand the concept of the binary operator. So there are so many binary operators here. The first one is arithmetical operator or arithmetic operator. Okay, so what is the use of arithmetic operator and what are the different arithmetic operators in Python? So the first one is plus, minus, multiplication, division. उसके अलावा आपके पास होता है मॉड्यूलो, फ्लोर डिवीजन एंड एक्सपोनेंशिएशन. So basically in mathematics there are 4 basic operators, but in Python arithmetical operators there are 4 basic operators which we are using: plus, minus, multiplication and division, and 3 other operators: modulo, floor division and exponentiation. These are 3 another operators which are all includes in arithmetic operators. So I hope these 4 operators is quite clear to you, because we are learning these 4 operators from our childhood. But these 3 operators which function are really different in Python, we will discuss these 3 operators. Okay, now for this, suppose I am going to discuss the modulo operator. This is known as modulus. Okay, but pronunciation is modulo. Okay, so little bit different in the pronunciation and the writing. So what is the use of this? For example, I am giving you an example. By the help of this example, we will discuss this, or we will try to understand the concept of this. Suppose I am writing 5 modulo 2. That our output will be 1. 5 modulo 2, the output will be 1. So can you just imagine what is the feature of this operator? 5 modulo 2, if you are doing, it will be simply dividing this 5 with 2, the same process. 5 2 ja 4 and 1, which is remainder and which is the output also. Okay, so simply we can say that the remainder of any, after any division, if it is So it will be show with the help of modulo operator. Okay. So now you have to tell me what will be the output of this one. Okay. You will tell me the answer in the comment box. Now the next operator, that is floor division. Okay. So in floor division, simply again the division will be performed. Suppose I am going to divide 14 by 3. So what will be the output? Simply if you will divide 14 with 3, the output will be, we are doing the division here, 3 4 ja 12 and 2.0, 3 6 ja 18, again 2 4.66, so you will get 4.67, such kind of output here. So what is simply the output? 4.67. We are dividing, but when you are floor dividing this, you will get the output as 4. That means only the integral part will be returned if you are doing the floor division. Okay, instead of the whole output. Now the exponentiation operator. The exponentiation operator just simply works as the power operator. Okay, suppose you are doing 2 and exponentiation operator and 3, it will be work as 2 to the power 3 and the output will be 8. Okay, so this is the use of exponentiation operator. So I hope the arithmetical operators are clear to you. Now we are going to discuss the next operator, that is relational operator. Okay, so you have to tell me the output of these questions. Okay, in the floor division and in the exponentiation, you will tell me the output of this one and you will tell me the output of this one. Okay, this is your homework. So you have to tell me the output of these expressions in the arithmetical operator. Now I am going to discuss the relational operator. That is the another type of operator in Python. Relational operator. As per its name, you can simply understand that this operator simply tells the relation between two different variables, two different values. Okay. So basically in this section, the less than operator, the greater than operator, the less than or equal to operator, the greater than or equal to operator, equal to operator and not equal to operator. These are the 6 operators simply which we can discuss in this section. Okay. Now it is very similar, it is very easy and very similar to your mathematical operators except these two. Except these two. In mathematics we are writing like this, less than and greater than equal to and greater than equal to, but here we will write this kind of terms. Okay, less than equal to and greater than equal to. Here equals to, double if you want to compare two values that they are equal to, so you have to write it equal to symbol 2 times, and if you want to compare it as not equal to, you have to write like this exclamation symbol and then equal to sign to compare. Okay, in the mathematics we are writing it something like that, and this one is something like that, but here in Python or in any programming language, the single equal to is known as assignment. Okay, assignment means whenever you are assigning any value to any variable, you are using this assignment operator. Suppose if you are giving, suppose a is equal to 5, so you are assigning 5 to a with the help of this assignment operator. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Relational operators are quite easy. I am just trying to give you some examples of that. Suppose we are doing a is equal to 50 and b is equal to 20, and if you want to compare it, a is less than or equal to B. Print. To print the output we are using this print command. So print A is less than or equal to B. Okay, so if the output will be correct, the answer will be true, and if the output will be wrong, the answer will be, that means it is being compared, and after the comparison the output will be displayed in the form of boolean terms. So either the value will get as true or false. So you will tell me what will be the output, true or false. This is your homework. Okay, in the same way you can do with the other operators, other relational operators. I am not going to make this video too large, so that's why I want you to understand it in very easy and simple term, in a very. Now we have already discussed the assignment operator. Now next one is logical operator. Okay, next one is logical operator. Okay, as per its name, in the computer there are three logic gates: OR, AND NOT. Here OR means plus, AND means multiply, and NOT means the bar, or you can say the opposite value. Okay, so you will get the opposite value. If you are using OR, you will have to do the plus operation. So I hope you have remembered the truth table we have discussed in the number system. The truth table we have already discussed about plus, multiplication, etc. That truth table will be used. Okay, so in short form I am going to display and discuss the OR and ON and AND gate. OR and AND. Okay, this is the X, Y, X, or Y, and this is X, Y, X, and Y. Okay, so here you are giving the inputs as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. In the same way, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So you have to remember in the OR gate that whenever there is any 1 or any true value, so here 0 means false value and 1 means true value. So whenever any true value is there, the output will be true. Simply we can say that there are two false, so completely false. And if there is any true value, suppose here one true, here one true, here both true, so you will get a true value. Here again false false, false true, true false, and true true. Okay, as I said, 0 means false and 1 means true. So if you will see any single false, okay, so the output will be false. Here both false, so the output will be false, that means 0. Here one false, so again the output will be false, that is 0. Here again one false, so the value will be 0, and both are true, then only you will get the output as a true. And here 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is the difference between OR and AND. Okay, so whenever you are going to compare two values with the help of OR and AND, you have to make sure that both the values should be kind of 0 or 1, or what kind of output you want, you have to give the expression like that. Now if I am going to discuss the NOT operator, it is quite simple. But what is NOT? If you are writing X, that will be X bar. Okay, suppose if you are writing X as 0, that will be 1, and if you are writing 1, that will be 0. If it is false, it is true, and if it is true, it will be false. Okay, this is the simple, this is the logical operator in Python. Okay, so for today I will quit the session. Thank you so much, and if you will like this all the content, please tell me my mistakes if any, or if you want it any more simple language, I can express it for you. And for more videos, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.